Right, next step. These are the screws I'm using, which I found in the shed. Blackjacks, PZ2 round. They're 10G by 1 inch and a quarter. Probably a bit too long, but so I've got a drill now. Next step, drill. Got 3 scaffold bolts, so I'm going to drill 3 holes. Well, 6, 12 actually. 3, 6, 9, 12 through there. Roughly where the bolts are going to go. Hopefully this will go. That's it. 1. Right, I've drilled me 3, 6, 9, 12 holes. Put the table out of the way, the table is out of the way, brushed the bench down, get rid of all the metal iron filings, brushed them away. Now to unclamp the table, see if it's worked. So, 1 clamp. Yeah, lovely. 2 clamps. There you go. That's my tabletop. Get a quick sand underneath, and as darling Jill said, I've done any sharp corners on it, so I'm sand it all off with a battery sander because of the grandson. Get rid of the sharp corners and then give it a little burn up and stain it and get it screwed on. So, try a little. So we go with this. Nice coarse disc. Well handed this. Well handed, I've used this a lot. Right, that's the underside done. Turn it over. Let that big lump of wood come on. Oh, there, it don't matter. Right. Top side, give this a nice sand down. These sanders, palm sanders are so handy, really handy. I'm not sure I'll use that for the top of that as the top now, to be honest with you. A bit gappy, but I prefer this. That's a bit bumpy, I think. I might end up using the other side. I think that's a better. I think that side there is better, although it's a bit gappy because I did clamp that down. I might go for that as the top. I don't know, it's a bit bowed there, and a lump of wood fell out there. I'm not sure. I think that's going to be the top. Change the plan. I'll go back to the top. I think that side's a bit rough. Bumpy bits will fell out, so I'm going to use this underside as the top now. I'll stand it up, burn it and varnish it. I think rather than flat, that is a bit more sanding. That it's a little bit gappy than I wanted it because I clamped the other side. This was going to be the bottom originally, but those balls a lot rougher there. But that, tell you what, the money. I love scaffolds. You can't buy a better bit of wood. I think think that length cost me, there's one length there that cost me 12 quid at the time. I bought that. That's come up really, really nice. Now do me old favour. Bit of the old blowtorch burning. Give that russet look. Got to do it quick, so I think I'll run out of gas. I'm not going to go mad on this. The edge of the colour. I like to do it around the knots as well. And that gas has run out, I knew it would. That's gone, which is handy because that's what I wanted. Right. There you go. Oh, that's moving. Right. Now I want to. Let's try and stuck that bloody wheel, is it? I'm going to lay the table on top of the underside. Do some pilot holes, then stone it. So that goes like that. That should fit on perfect. Oh, look at that, it's made for it. Absolutely perfect, just. Fits lovely on there. Right, pilot holes. That's the reason I put 12 screws in. Is because it's 3 bolts and it's 1 screw in each board. It'll help it hold it together. Right, so I'll take this off. I've got a bit more paint going here yet when I've done it on the top there. Take that off. I think I might coat that up. Put the front straight on. So, gone in the shed, I found some yacht varnish, lasting protection for outdoors satin, that'd do. And biggest brush I could find. Quick coat of this, just on the underneath, just to seal it. Just a rough coat on the underside. Be all done with this bloody brush. I hope this dries pretty good. I want to get the table on top. The legs on this tabletop pretty quickly. And I can turn it over and paint the rest of it. So while I was waiting for that to get a little bit tacky, I've now painted the underside of the table. Tipped it on top, back into position. Put the screws in. Like so. So, so I've just put a couple more screws in here to finish it off. I'm glad I put the amount of screws in I didn't. That holds it all together. That is no one more to do there. Right. Turn it over. Oh, it's heavy now. Just two wires, this bloody bench. There you go. That's lovely. Bloody gaps here, look. Don't matter, rustic. Right, I'm just going to shoot around with a brush with a black, touch that with a black paint. Noticed the feet weren't doing so. Coat. Bit along here. Now to varnish it, there's a tiny little brush. I'll put this up here. Oh shh! What am I doing it? Lovely, God. Fucking toffee. Bloody hell. I mean, I could have sprayed the table legs, to be honest with you, but the idea of this was doing it on a budget because I use everything that I've got out of the shed. That's it, finished. Let that dry. That's going to dry down a matte colour. Let it dry. Dump on the garden, the patio, put a few beers on it. Bottle of whiskey, lovely. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.